How do I prove my car accident injury claim in Massachusetts? Hi, I'm attorney John Sheehan. Since 1993, I've represented thousands of injured workers and car accident victims throughout Massachusetts. I fight to make sure that each client receives all the compensation and medical treatment that they're entitled to without getting taken advantage of by an insurance company. Well, in any car accident injury claim, there's two parts to the case. Number one is liability, number two is damages. Let's dig into this a little bit and I'll explain. Liability is nothing more than a fancy legal term for who is at fault. In a car accident, the question is, who is negligent? What evidence is there that the other driver that hit you was negligent in causing the car accident? Well, we'll look for things like, how did the accident happen? Did the other driver run a red light? Did the other driver fail to stop at a stop sign? Maybe the other driver rear-ended you. Maybe the other driver cut you off and tried to take a left turn in front of you while you had the right of way. These are all things that go into being able to establish and prove that the accident was caused by the other driver's negligence. In order to be able to prove that, it's helpful to be able to have photographs of the cars as they were and the position they were after the accident, after the impact. To be able to have photographs documenting the points of contact between the vehicles, the damage to the vehicles. Are there any marks of debris in the roadway, such as skid marks or debris that would show the position and location of the cars? The roadway itself, the condition of the roadway. What type of traffic control devices were there? Were they functioning? Red lights, stop signs, things like that. Were there any witnesses? Make sure that you get the witness's name and contact information so that your attorney can reach out to the witness and maybe get a statement from the witness that would show and corroborate that the accident was caused by the other driver's negligence. Now, going on to the second part in proving your car accident injury claim, that has to deal with damages. In the context of a car accident injury claim, damages generally include your lost wages, if you lost time from work, I should say, because of your injuries, and your medical bills. Your lawyer would look to your medical records, doctor's reports, physical therapy reports and notes, any diagnostic testing reports such as x-ray reports, MRI reports, CAT scan reports. All of those go into being able to establish what your injuries were, the severity of your injuries. We'll look to also how long were you in medical treatment, how long was your life disrupted, how long did you have to stop your regular schedule of activities both at work and outside of work to be able to go to medical appointments, physical therapy appointments. Maybe you had surgery, maybe you sustained a fracture because of the car accident. All those things that are important to be able to document in order to prove your car accident injury claim. Another consideration in proving your car accident injury claim is, did you suffer any type of permanent impairment because of the injuries that you sustained in the car accident? Your car accident lawyer, in most cases, will either ask your treating doctor or perhaps hire a medical expert to examine you, review all the records, do a interview of you and an actual physical examination, and then that medical expert will put together a report that we refer to as loss of function reports or impairment reports. And the doctor will document and calculate what percentage of permanent impairment you suffered or sustained as a result of the injuries related to the car accident. Proving a car accident injury claim is complicated. You don't want to try and do this on your own. If you've been injured in a car accident in Massachusetts recently, and the car accident was caused by another driver's fault, you should contact an experienced car accident attorney to discuss your case and see what your rights are and what you need to do to be able to prove your car accident injury claim. If you'd like to contact me, you can call me directly at the office. The number's below this video. you could send me an email, or if you prefer, you can visit my website. You'll find contact forms on my website that you can fill out and submit, and I'd be happy to reach back out to you. We'll talk about how the car accident happened, about your injuries, your medical treatment, and what I would recommend for next steps and how I can be of help in proving your car accident injury claim. And if you found the information in this video informative and helpful, please like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell icon below to make sure that you receive notifications of my future videos, and share this video with your friends and family.